Hello, it's me again, and I have another parcel to open. I know exactly what this one is. See, there's a few different things, so let's have a look. It is handcrafted skincare. So it's from a company called Essential Blends from the wonderful Sophie. And look how amazing this is. Oh my word. So it tells me all about each of her products. That's fantastic. I love that. Brilliant. It's got each one on there, so it looks it's properly printed, it's professionally printed, which is lovely and really well designed. And look at that branding. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it absolutely lovely? It really just makes you think of natural ingredients. So let me just read this. So it says Essential Blends natural skincare products made by beauty and aromatherapy expert Sophie Joseph. So fantastic. So this really does sum that. So straight away I'm like, oh, this looks good. This looks exciting. I also have a postcard in there which saying thank you for your order, and also that she's popped a sample in of exfoliator for you to try. It's very gentle. So there you go, an extra little personal note on the top with some added information. So let's have a look. Oh, there we go. The little exfoliator is there in its own little thing. So let me unwrap. It's really nice when you get to unwrap things. So I'll just show you, like it was wrapped. I've opened it up. I could do with a camera pointing down, couldn't I, when I do this? So I'm opening it up, and inside then we have, now I've ordered a few different things. So we have two little packages wrapped up with the stickers on again. They just are such a nice little touch. Really a nice little touch. So what's interesting is that that was kept separate. So it was obvious. Here we go. So it was obviously an add-on. It was obviously just a very thank you, an extra freebie thrown in, which makes it really, really nice. So let's open these up. I couldn't wait to open these because I'm desperate for my new moisturiser. So very crinkly tissue paper. So I haven't ordered from Sophie before. She is actually in my membership, the Handcrafted Business Club. And I just was so tempted by hearing her talk about everything. I just really, really wanted to try her products. And I've just run out of moisturiser. So I've just gone all in and bought lots of things. So we have a rejuvenating serum. There you go. If I turn it, you can kind of see it in the light, which is lovely, in a tiny little lovely bottle, and a deeply nourishing face oil. Guess who's doing some pampering soon? And if I open up the other tissue paper package, definitely getting there, we have a super hydrating eye gel. Now, I'm going to make an assumption here, and I might be slightly wrong, but I'm thinking that Sophie in Essential Blends is in the middle of a packaging change, because we've got that one, which is lovely. There's nothing wrong with that at all. But then we have that one. Wow, look at the difference. That's an amazing difference. So suddenly it's all tying in with that beautiful leaflet that we have. All of these going around. I absolutely adore that. That as packaging. Honestly, I didn't think there was anything wrong with this one. It's quite functional. We obviously have a best before and a batch number on the back because of the nature of the product, but it does the job. There's nothing wrong with that. It's very, very professional. It's a very nice quality label. It's very smooth. But actually, and that was the thing I actually wanted to order, the luxury face cream. But oh my word, seeing that, the new packaging, Sophie, that's amazing. I absolutely adore it. It's a game changer. It's such a simple little change. It's the smallest little thing, but actually that one, it sings. It just sings out to me. I'm desperate to want to try that now, your super hydrating eye gel. So guess who's going to go off and do some pampering. But yes, a nourishing and light day and night cream. Can't wait to get started with that. I've finished my own moisturizer at the moment, so desperately need it. And a nourishing face oil and rejuvenating serum. I'm over the moon. And thank you so much for the little freebie as well. I've really loved, so I've unpacked 3 now in my video. So I've done this little necklace, I've done some gorgeous paper flowers, and I've just done some skincare. I've been treating myself this week. It's absolutely amazing and phenomenal that the packaging really is part of the experience. It's phenomenal the difference that it makes, and just seeing the difference of where Sophie is going with essential blends, the difference between that, it just emphasizes how important and the difference that it makes. It really does just lift it up with that. But we had Sophie give a free little gift, which is a wonderful little touch. And the best part of that free little gift is if you like it and you love it, you're going to come on and buy more of it. So that's a fantastic way. The best way to get someone to buy is to get it in their hands. So that's a fantastic touch. With Sophie, she used the hashtag, getting people to encourage that they'll get a discount off their next purchase if they actually kind of take a photograph and use the hashtag and use that, which is fantastic. And then with Sherry and Eternal Posy, it was just the personal touch, the personal note, and actually the little bit of advice about what I needed to do because she knew my story about what I wanted to use. It's phenomenal. If you've missed the other 2 videos, if you've missed the unpackaging of the heart necklace out of the paper flowers, please go and find those videos and watch them. The experience you give through your packaging, it's really important. It makes the difference. It's your reputation. It's that whole experience. It's how you make people feel. And all of these, they've made me smile massively. So I'm going to go off and indulge and pamper, enjoy my new necklace, and figure out how I'm going to share the paper poppy with the lady I want to share it with. If you don't know what I'm on about, watch the video. I shall speak to you all very soon, but look after your customers. Make sure you give them the best experience possible, and not only will they come back and buy from you, but they'll be there recommending you and supporting you every step of the way. I'm certainly am with these 3. Speak to you soon.